almost like a blank canvas because the view kind of does the talking.
Look at it.
If the inside has to be subservient to the outside, you know, could you imagine different types of furniture and fittings in this house? Say someone came in and wanted folksy, antique. Would that work?
Possibly.
Possibly.
Definitely like a more mid-century vibe would work.
Yes. This has got a kind of LA cliff edge kind of...
It's Los Angeles, isn't it?
Yeah, yeah. We need some movie moguls doing deals on the deck. Now, that's a bedroom with a view. An ensuite, walk around, and then...
Out through here. Oh.
Wow.
Imagine waking up at the weekends and just opening that up and then just having this view out from bed.
I can see a heart.
Oh.
Is it too early for a glass of wine?
Tuck in.
Yeah, downstairs is just for the normal people. It's now we've shifted into another gear coming up here. Everything sort of fits apart from...
Well, I'm kind of irresistibly attracted to the unicorn over there. Shall I give it a try?
Yeah, got her.
I feel like I should be that way around, really.
Oh, careful.
It's a long way to carry it down to the beach, though, isn't it?
Maybe you chuck it and then you'll meet it down there.
It'll be quite dramatic, but you wouldn't use this space in certain times, a lot of the time of the year, would you?